Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step solution as well as the tip and trick for effective revision and answering strategies. Let's get started. Question 1. Question 1A is a ratio question. So for a ratio, you need to check what information is given. Okay, first, we have the total here. 1250 is the total. Total trees, okay. And the question asks for the apple tree. So you need to calculate what is the total ratio. 12, you plus 9, you plus 4, you should get 25. 25 means it's a total. So 25 part is equal to 1250. Therefore, P you should equal to 250 divided by 25, you get 50. 1250 over 25, you should get 50. So for apple is 12 part. Therefore, 12 times 50, you should get 600. Part 2. Last year in the orchard, the mean mass, to give you the mean mass of the fruit produced was 64 kg per tree. Calculate the total mass of the fruit produced last year. Give your answer in ton, and 1 ton is 100 kg. So to calculate the total, you just say 64, you time the number of trees. You should get 64 times 1250 is 880,000. This is in kg. Okay, it's in kg. To convert to ton, you just divide it by 1,000. So 80,000 divided by 1,000, you get 80. Part 3, A part 3. Last year, the mean mass, again, the mean mass of pears produced was 55 kg per tree. This was a decrease, so it reduced of 10% on the mean mass of pears produced per tree from the year before. So this is a reverse percentage question. So you have the original, and this is the new percentage. Remember, original always 100%, and this is decrease. So decrease is minus original to the minus is minus 10. So you get 90%. Okay. And then the original is the last year. And the new is this year. Okay, not last, the year before, sorry. This is a year before. And the new is the last year. So it's 90%. Okay, and the pear produced is 54 kg. So you just use cross multiply with ratio method. This is your unknown. Cross multiply, you get 90x equal to 100 times 54. Therefore, your x equal to 100 times 54. You divide it by 90. You should get 60. With 60 kg. Part 4. Okay, the orchard lost 1/5 of its total number of the tree in a storm. Calculate the number of trees that remain. So remain is 1 minus 1 over 5, that is equal to 4 over 5. Therefore, you take 1250, you time 4 over 5. You should get 1000. One B, followed by some pairs from a market. The cost is 55 cent dollar or 0.51 euro each. Okay, follow pay in dollars for 12 pairs. Calculate the change he received from $10. So this straightforward question. Take 12, you times 0.54 in dollar. So that will give you 6.48. And then to calculate the change, you just take a 10, you minus 6.48. You should get 3.52. B2, the exchange rate is $1 to 0.826 euros. Okay, calculate how much more Paolo pays for each pair when he pays in euros. So a few keywords here. Give your answer in dollars, correct to the nearest cent. So first we take the exchange rate. This is dollar, this is euro. So 1 to 0.826. Okay, just take the euros is 0.51. Again, we use the ratio method, cross multiply, get 0.826x equal to 0.51. So your x equal to 0.51 divided by 0.826. You should get 0.62. This will be in dollar. The question asks for how much more. Okay, therefore you minus how much more? 0.62 minus 0.54. You should get 0.08. Correct to nearest cent. Okay, number 2. Okay, the diagram shows a solid triangular prism A, B, C, D, E, F of length 15 cm. This is 15. Okay. AB is 6.4. EB is 5.7. Okay. And the volume of the prism is, so V is equal to 145 cm cube. Okay. A, show the angle EAB equal to 32. Angle EAB, the question asks for this. EBA, sorry. EBA is 32 degrees, correct to nearest degrees. To show this, you need to check the information given. Information, they give you the volume. Oh, sorry. Volume is given, therefore you need to check how to calculate the volume of prism. So to calculate the volume, V is equal to the base area times the height. Okay, so that will give you base area is triangle. Therefore, we use the half AB sine C times the height. So you can put here half. A can be just, this can be A, this can be B. You can change, it's okay. Not a big, oh, but not a big issue. A is 6.4, 5.7, sine B. Sine B will refer to this angle. Angle is here. So that should equal to, you time the height, sorry. And the height is 15. That should equal to 145 cm cube. Okay, you calculate. It will give you 273 point, excuse me, 6 of sine B equal to 145. The sine B is equal to 145 over 273.6. Therefore, your B, or this will be the angle EBA, should equal to shift sine of 145 over 273.6. You calculate, you should get 32. or 32 degrees. Therefore, we keep and show. Sorry, just start again. Okay, so angle EBA is equal to 32 degrees. Okay. B, find length of EA. So this is 5.7. This is 6.4 and the angle is 32. If you look closely, you get a triangle 5.7, 6.4, and 32 degrees. And this is your question, AE. Okay. So you're dealing with one pairs. It's a non-right angle triangle. So you either have sine rules or cosine rules. So this we use the cosine rules. So A square equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. Therefore, A should equal to square root of everything. And you can just change this to EA. So B or C can be any, just it was 6.4 square plus 5.7 square minus 2, 6.4, 5.7 cos 32. You calculate, you should get 3.4. C. B and C you can exchange, it's okay. B can be 6.4 or can be 5.7, not a big issue. But C, calculate the shortest distance. Okay, shortest distance from E to EA. So E to AB, sorry. So you need shortest distance, you need to form a 90 degrees. So just now we have 3.4. So you're dealing with another triangle, is another triangle. Shortest distance, 90 degrees. So this is 32. This is 5.7. This is 6.4. And this is 3.4. Okay. See, we have the right angle triangle, therefore you just take the right angle triangle. You want to find the shortest distance. It will be here. This line here. So this one. This is the shortest distance. Take the angle. It's 32 and 5.7. Okay. So it's a basic trigonometry. This will be the hypotenuse. This is opposite. This is adjacent. Therefore, we will use sine. Sine theta equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So you calculate, get sine 32 equal to opposite is just put O over hypotenuse is 5.7. Therefore, your O should equal to sine 32 times 5.7. You should get 3.02 cm. So the shortest distance, you create a 90 degrees. Okay, D. Calculate the angle BF makes with the base ABCD. So BF. Okay, so just now we have 3.02, 5.7, 6.4, 3.4, and the angle is 32. Calculate the angle of BF. BF, so a straight line. BF and the base. So you need a perpendicular height. Therefore, this will be 3.02. And here we have 15. So again, you are dealing with another right angle triangle. So BF, okay, BF, you need to find BF. You have no BF, you have BF here. No, so you have no BF. So BF, take on the right angle triangle. So B, F. Okay, we find BF. So to find BF, 15. Okay, you can use 15 here. And 5.7, use this length. Will be the same as BF. Okay, FE, FC is equal to EB. Note this, therefore, you get a C here is 90 degrees. So first BF should equal to, use Pythagoras theorem, square root of 15 square plus 5.7 square, you should get 16.05. And then the angle make of BF make with the base, it should be here, here. Okay, sorry, not that angle. Here. Here. So you need to form another right angle triangle. Okay, DEF. I label this as G, so easier for your reference. This is G. This is the angle. This is 3.202. This is B. This is F. Okay, we have here is 16.05. Okay, want to find the angle. It's basic trigonometry. So this will be opposite. This is hypotenuse. Therefore, you use sine. So sine B equal to opposite is 3.02 over 16.05. So your angle equal to shift sine of 10.8 degrees. So 10.8. E. The prism is made of plastic with density of 938 kg per meter cube. Okay. Okay, then calculate the mass of the prism in grams. Okay, we have grams kg. And then density is mass over volume. So density is equal to mass over volume. Therefore, you want to calculate the mass. Mass is equal to density times volume. Okay, want to meter grams. Okay, we have the answer in grams. So take note of the unit here. First, we just calculate volume. Okay, volume. We have the volume 145 cm cube. Okay. Volume is equal to 145 cm cube. Okay. Cm cube to meter cube. So you need to convert. So 145 cm cube is equal to how many meter cube? So 1 meter cube is equal to, take this, 1 meter is 100 cm. Therefore, 1 meter cube, 1 meter cube, cube, so cube is 100 cube, cm cube. So to convert this, you need to divide. So let's put here 145 over 100 cube. Okay. The density is gram, kilogram. Okay, so you can calculate here 938 times 145 over 100. 100 cube. You should get 0.13601. The answer will be in kg because the mass is in kg. Okay. Now you need to convert kg to gram. So 0.13601 kg is equal to how many gram? Divide by 1000. Get 136.01. You divide. When you divide, you should time because kg is bigger. You should time 1000, not divide. Because 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. You should time. Okay. Number 3, the table shows information about the mass of each of 1000 eggs. Okay. Calculate the estimate of mean. Okay, you have group data here. To calculate the mean of group data, first you need to find the midpoint. Midpoint. So find the middle, you plus and you divide. This should be 45. This should be 53. Okay. You can something like this. 40 plus 50 over 2. You should get 45. You calculate the rest. This should be 53. This should be 60. This should be 67. See, just a bit. Okay. Frequency. Okay. So the mean. So mean is equal to, you take the midpoint times the frequency. Just plus. A plus 60 times 154 plus 67 times 200. Everything you over 1000 because you plus everything here. You should get 1000. We calculate 55.87. Or 55.9. Okay, part 2. An egg is picked at random from the 1000 eggs. Find the probability that this egg had mass greater than 56. So it's more than 56. It should be here and here. So you plus these two, you should get 300. So 154, you plus 200, you should get 354. To calculate the probability, okay, give your answer as fraction in its simplest form. So probability will be 5354 over 1000. You should get, simplify 177 over 500. So probability of more than 56 grams. 3B. 1 year, a farmer makes profit of 24,730 selling eggs. Write this profit correct to two significant figures. Significant figures, this is the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 7, therefore you need to plus 1. You should get 25 and the remaining put 0. You need 5,000. Okay. In standard form, 24730. So standard form, just put decimal. Okay. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2.473 times 10 to the power of 4. C, on the farm, there are 500 hens. Correct to the nearest 10. This is upper bound, lower bound question. In 1 year, the mean number of eggs laid per hen was 320 eggs. correct to nearest 20. Calculate the upper bound of the total number of eggs or the hen lay in that here upper bound. Okay, so to calculate the total number, you need to times. Okay, you take the hen, you time the eggs, the number of eggs. The upper bound, when you time, you need to get upper bound, time the upper bound. So first, take the y1 nearest here, you divide it by 2, then equal to 5. Mean is plus minus 5. And then this is divided by 2 is plus minus 10. Okay, upper bound. So you take the hands. Okay, so the hand is 500. So upper bound is equal to 500 plus 5 equal to 505. And for the eggs, 320 upper bound is 320 you plus 10 equal to 330. So you need upper bound. So it's 505 you time 330. Calculate. You should get 166,650. Another farm has 800 hens. Correct to the nearest 20. Again, it's correct to the nearest 20. This divided by 2. So it's plus 10 minus 10. Okay. Calculate the lower bound or the difference. You need to minus to calculate the lower bound or the difference. So you need to minus. So lower bound is equal to, you take the lower bound, you minus the upper bound. Difference of number of hens. Okay. So first we take the 500. What is the upper bound? You need the upper bound just now is 500 you plus 5. This is plus minus 5 over 2. So you get 505. For the 800, you need a lower bound that equal to 800 minus 10 that equal to 790. So you minus 790, you get 285. For A, calculate the area of triangle PQR. Triangle, so half times base times height. You should get 96. Calculate the angle PQR. PRQ, sorry. So it use basic trigonometry. This is opposite. This is adjacent. And this is a bit hypotenuse. So you're dealing with O and A. Is a TOA. Is a tangent. So tangent R is equal to O is 8. A is 24. So your R is equal to tangent. Shift tangent of 8 over 24. You should get 18 0.4. Okay. 1 degrees. 1 decimal. Part B. The diagram shows a half cylinder of radius 6 and the length of 11. Calculate the volume. So volume is a base area times the height. Since it's half, therefore you just put half to everything here. So it's half of base area will be the area of circle. So it's pi 6 square. You time the height is 11. You should get 622.04. C. ABCD is a rectangle. AB is 20, BC is 15. S, X, T are point on the circle center O, such as DSA and DCA are tangent. Okay, tangent. Okay, when you say tangent to the circle, that means you will create a 90 degrees. This is meant by the tangent. Okay, the radius is 4 cm. Dx is the diameter of the circle. Dx, okay. The shape TSXT is removed. Okay. From the corner of the rectangle, leave the shaded shape shown in the second diagram. Calculate the area of shaded shape. To calculate the area of the shaded, so you take the rectangle, which is 20 and 15, you minus the small square, which is 4 and 4, and then you minus the 3/4 of the circle with the radius 4. Okay, so area should equal to 20 times 15 minus 4 times 4, and you minus 3/4 is 3/4 of area with pi r. R is 4 square. Calculate. You should get 246.3. This will give you 300. This equal to 16. This equal to 12y. So it's 246.3. Next, calculate the perimeter of the shaded shape. Okay, so perimeter, just here, this side is 20, this 4, so it's 16. This side is 11. This is 20, you minus 4. This side is 15. 15, you minus 4, is equal to 11. And this is 20, this is 15. So it's 11, you plus 20, you plus 15, you plus 16, and plus the 3/4 of here, of the circle. 3/4 times 2 pi, your R is 4. Highlight to you. This part is 3/4. Nope. Yeah. So you calculate You should get you should get 80.85. Okay, number 5. Number 5. There are 160 people in the village. The community frequency diagram show the information about their age. Just find an estimate for the median age. So median, you take 160 divided by 2, that equal to 80. So here, 80, so you draw a line, calculate, take the value. You should get 25. And then the lower quartile, take the 160, you time the 25%. That should equal to 40. So if here, calculate, change color, green. So this is 40. So you calculate. You should get 17.5. Okay. Your answer should be between 17 to 18. Okay, cannot more than that. It can be 17, it can be 18. Okay. In the case I take 17.5. The number of people who are 50 or more years of age. Okay. So now we're talking about age. So 50 here. Oh, change color. We're dealing with 50 or more. So we start from here. Get a value. So this is 148. So you see, you said more or more. Therefore, you take 160, you minus 148. That's equal to 12. Okay, next. Okay. The 65 percentile. Oh, wait, is it? So it's 65%. You time 160. You should get 104. So 104 over here. 104. When you take the value, you should get 30. Okay. Part 2. Okay, the youngest person in the village is 1 year old and the oldest is 70 years old. Draw a box and whisker plot to show the distribution. Okay. So first we have the lowest and the highest. Put the lowest, put the highest. And then you have the mean. Can check back. Oh, it's missing. Okay. The mean should be 25. This is the mean, is 25. And then you have the 25 percentile. This is yes. 25 percentile is 17.5. And this is the 75 percentile. You should get 30, 1, 2, 3, 34. Okay, draw that. You join everything, you should get plot and whisker plot. B, write down an estimate of percentage of people in a village that are younger than median age. Younger than the median age. Okay, younger than the median age. This is this is not a mean, this is the median. Sorry. Percentage. So we're dealing with 50%. Oh. Median age is 25, so you should get half of it. B, the frequency table show the information about the age of each person in another village. This is frequency. Okay. On the grid, complete the histogram to show this information. If you check histogram, you need the frequency density. Need the frequency density, which equal to class width. Sorry, it's the frequency over class width. Frequency over the class width. Therefore, you need to add two columns here, class width and the frequency density. So class width, this is 20. How big is 0 to 20, 20? Okay, this is 10. This will be another 20. And this will be 30. Okay. So frequency density, take 52 you over 20, you get 2.6. You calculate the rest, you should get 3.7, 1.2, and 2. And now you can draw the diagram. Okay, this is the information. 2.60 to 20 is already here. And then we need the 3.7 is up to 30, you know, and then 1.2, and then 2 up to 60, up to 80. So you just draw the histogram. Number 6. In the square ABCD, A has coordinate on -2, 1. -2, 1, here is A. And B has coordinate of 1, 5. 1, 5 is here. This is B. Okay. C has coordinate AB when A and B both are positive. Therefore, C should be in the first quadrant. Okay. C should be here. As a coordinate of AB and let's say both positive integers. Find the coordinate of C and coordinate of D. You may use the grid to help you. So you just draw a line, AB, and then we go to C. C should be here. And you just draw 90 degrees. Therefore, this should be C, which is 5, 2. And then you just complete the square. You say it's a square. So everything need to be 90 degrees. Just use your ruler to draw it. And this should be D. t is 2, negative 2. Number 6b, P has coordinate of 1, 3, negative 1, 3, and Q has coordinate of 6, 4. Find the coordinate of midpoint. So midpoint, just take x2 plus x1 over 2, then y2 plus y1 over 2. Plus and you divide. So minus 1, you plus 6 over 2, and then 3, you plus 4 over 2. You should get 2.5 and 3.5. Next, find the length of PQ. So length of PQ. Okay, you did use Pythagoras theorem. You take x2 minus x1. You square it. You plus y2 minus y1. You square it. Okay, so that equal to, so PQ equal to square root of minus 1 minus 6. Take square, you plus 3 minus 4 square. Calculate 7.07. Okay. Part 3, find the gradient of PQ. So M equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Just put here as x1, y1, or this will be x2, y2. So your M equal to 4 minus 3 over 6 minus 1. You should get 1 over 7. Okay. Part 4. Find the equation of the line parallel to PQ. PQ just now with equation of PQ. Okay. Parallel, you need to take note that M1 equal to M2. They're the same gradients that cross the x-axis at x equal to 2. Y x. So, x equal to 2. Okay, just now the gradient M should equal to the same gradient, which is 1 over 7. Okay. So it's positive, therefore your graph would look something like this. Okay, it passes through x equal to 0. X equal to 2. So the coordinate here is 0, 2, 0. So if y equal to mx plus c, when your m equal to 1 over 7 and plus 2, 2, 0. So 0 equal to m1 over 7. X is 2 plus c. So equal to 2 over 7 plus c. Therefore, your c equal to negative. Oh yeah, again. Okay. So we start again. C should equal to negative 2 over 7. So equation should be y equal to 1 over 7, x minus 2 over 7. Number 7, factorize fully. So this is 3, factorize, just put into bracket. 3 and 9 y squared minus 1. Okay, do you know this format here? Okay, you square and a minus. Okay, normally you'll be in the form a square minus b square. which equal to a plus b, a minus b. So they equal to a 9y square is 3y square minus 1. So 3y plus 1, 3y minus 1. Okay. But 2, we have 4 terms. So, okay, do 2 by 2. This one is 2, m and k. M and k, there's no common. We need to rearrange first. 2m minus pm minus pk plus 2k. Okay, just wait. Minus 4 plus 2k minus pk. So put 2 is 2. This one will be m, 2 minus p. This one will be k, 2 minus p. You take note when you factorize this kind of factorization, these two need to be the same. Okay. Therefore, that should equal to, so plus here, m plus k, 2 minus p. It must be same. Okay. B, solve this equation. So it's a fraction. Okay, so this one you just put into single fraction time x minus 1. This one you time x plus 1 for the bracket. Okay, so x minus 1 times x minus 1 minus 6 times x plus 1. Everything you over x plus 1, x minus 1. So equal to 1. Okay. The rise expand. So okay, x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 6x minus 6. Everything over x squared minus 1, that equal to 1. Okay, so x squared minus 2x minus 8x minus 8x minus 5, that should equal to x squared minus 1. You bring this up. Putting up here. So you get this. So to arrange, okay. So x squared minus x squared minus 8x equal to minus 1 plus 5. This one 2 cancel, minus 8x equal to 4. Therefore, your x equal to 4 over negative 8 or equal to negative half. Solve 4x squared minus 3x minus 2 equals to 0. You must show all your working and give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. 2 decimal, if the question asks for 2 decimal, you either use a formula, which is x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, or you can use completing square. So I will choose this. So x equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of minus 3. Put bracket minus 4. A is 4. C is negative 2 over 2a is 4. Okay, so that equal to 3 plus minus square root of, you calculate 9 minus 16 plus 32. You should get 41 over 8. So equal to 3 plus square root of 41. You get 6.2 decimal, 6.403 over 8, and 3 minus 6.403 over 8. Calculate, you should get 3 plus 6.403, 8, 1.175, or equal to 1.18. And then 3 minus 6.403 over 8. You can see negative 0.425 equal to negative 0.43. Okay. Please take decimal when you calculate, take more than 2, okay, so that when you round up later, the answer will correct. So it's 1.18 and negative 0.43. Because need to show, must show all your workings. Yes, you can use calculator, but you need to know how to write. D, make K as a subject. Make K as a subject, you have 2K here. Therefore, you need to factorize. Okay. So you have K over M equal to 4 plus KP. So K equal to 4 plus KP. Everything you time M. So you get K equal to 4M plus KPM. Bring the K over, so K minus KPM equal to 4M. You factorize out the K. 1 minus PM equal to 4M. So K equal to 4M over 1 minus PM. 1 minus PM, 1 minus MP is okay. Not a big issue. Okay, so 4M over 1 minus, we just arrange PM. Okay, number 8. A tailor make X dresses and Y shirt in 1 week. So X is dress, Y is shirt. Okay, in 1 week. He makes at least 4 dresses. Okay, he makes no more than 7 shirts. Okay, he makes less than 14 dresses and the shirt all together. The number of shirts he makes is more than 2/3 of number of dresses. One of the inequality that show this this information is X more than 4. So if I put here as 1, 2, 3, 4, this will be for the number 1. So number 2 here, he makes no more. No more is less than equal. Okay, less than equal. So shirt with Y less than equal to 7. Okay, number 3. Okay, he make less than. So it's quite obvious. It's less than 14 dresses and shirt all together. So you plus the 2 x you plus y, that should be less than 14. The number of shirts he made is more than, okay, more than is just more than. Number of shirt is y is more than 2/3 of the dress. Okay, on the grid, draw 4 lines and shade the unwanted region. Shade unwanted region. To show these inequalities, label the region R that satisfy the 4 inequalities. Okay, so shade the unwanted region. First, you have 4 inequalities. If x is more than 4, y is less than equal to 7, x plus y is less than 14, and then y is more than 2/3 of x. Okay. So first, you need to take note when you want to draw the inequalities, take note of the sign. If more than and or less than, okay, is more than or less than, then these two will be dotted line. If more than equal, less than equal, these two will be a solid line. Okay, so this will be a solid, this will be a solid, this is dotted line, this will be dotted line. Okay, so you just draw the equation. This will be x equal to 4. This will be x equal to 7. This will be x plus y equal to 14. This will be y is equal to 2/3 of x. First one, you draw the line, label. X equal to 4, it will be a vertical line. Okay. And y equal to 7. And then x plus y equal to 14. So you just need 2 points, x and y. So if x is 0, y will be 14, and y is 0, x 14. You need 2 coordinates. And it's a dotted line. And then again, you need 2 points, x and y. X is 0, y will be 0. Then x is 3, y will be 2. So you have another 3 and 2. You draw a line. Okay. Remember to label. Draw a line and label. Okay. Now the inequalities. Okay. One by one. X is more than equal to 4. It said shade the unwanted. So if this is x equal to 4, it's more than, so this side. So we want to shade here. Okay, this side. You just shade everything. Then y equal to 7. This is y equal to 7. Then less than, you want this side. So you shade this one. Okay, everything here you just shade. Everything above the line you just shade. Next. Okay. The line. Okay. Less than 14. Okay. So less than 14, it will be this side. So you shade this side. Okay. You shade everything here. Everything above the line. And last one, y So just the line. Okay, it's more than. So you need this side. Oh, just shit. Yeah. So everything. Let me see. Everything below the line, you will shade it. Okay. So you shade properly. Your R should be here. This will be your R. You shade the unwanted region. But B, okay, use the diagram to find the smallest number of dresses and the smallest number of shirts the tailors make in 1 week. We should come first. Okay. Smallest number, it will be on the left side or at the bottom. Okay, left and lower left normally. Okay, you take the diagram out, it should be somewhere here. So include, so it can be here. Here, so since it's the smallest number, so it will be here. This is smallest. So X will be the dress. X is the dress. So X is 4. Y will be the shirt. So it is 3 and 4. Okay. The profit. Okay. Next, the profit of the tailor make on one dress is 10 and profit on the shirt is 6. So X here. Okay. So X is equal to 10. Y is equal to 6. Okay, take the diagram. Okay, and the largest it will be on the upper right normally. Right side. So it should be somewhere here. Okay, so you can try, okay, either here. Okay, just take a few points. This is okay, X and Y. Okay, the first point is this is 7 and 6. 7 and 6. So you should get 70 because X is 10. Y is 6. And 36. Okay, plus a 2, you get 106. 7 dress. Okay, how about this point? Is included. So you can either do X is 6 and Y is 7. So it's 60 plus 42 plus you get 102. Okay. Maybe take one more. Got this one. This is 5, 7. X and Y is 5 and 7. So it's 50 and 42. It's quite low, it's 92. Okay. So the answer is 106. The dotted line is not included. Okay, this point is not included. This point is not included. And those on the dotted line is not included. This one as well, not included. So you can take inside. Therefore, its answer is 106. Okay, number 9. The Venn diagram shows a set of x and y. List the element of x. So x is R, L, T, E, A, element of x. Okay. N is the number of element. Find the n is this is number of element. This is complement. That means other than y. So it will be here. 2 is 2. In the Venn diagram, shade the required region. This is union. Union just shade everything. P complement intersect with Q. So P complement intersect with Q should be here. Other than P and intersect with Q. C, okay, universal set is positive integers. Integers is a whole number. Less than 13. So 13 is not included. 13 is not included. Okay. A is x, which is less than 9. So 9 is not included. So 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. X is even. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Okay, multiple of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, so A, just find some colors. A and B. A and B, we have 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4. And then A and C, B and C, with okay, B and C with okay, 6, 12, 2, then so with 6 here, 6 in the middle. We have 6 everywhere. And we have 6. We'll take out the 6, 6, 2, and 1. A and C have new 1. So 3. 3 over here. 6 over here. 2, 4, 8 over here. And you have 12 here. And with 10 here. 1, 5, and 7. So 9 over here. Outside is 11. Okay. Next, find the number of elements number of element. N is a number of element of where A complement other than A union with B in the set C. So it should be here. Other than A and inside here. So it should be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Because it's union. Union with other than A, just with everything other than A. Okay. This is A complement. We have put the color for you. Easier to handle. A intercept, B intercept C is here. Okay. B intercept C is here. So sin is union. 16. So your answer you want, it should be 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 10. Find f negative 3. Just substitute the negative 3 to fx. Fx equal to x minus 4. So f negative 3 equal to negative 3 minus 4. Okay, minus 7. Inverse of gx. So you first you let the gx equal to y. So y equal to 2x plus 5. Y minus 5 equal to 2x. So x equal to y minus 5 over 2. Therefore, inverse of g is equal to x minus 5 over 2. Okay, part 3, fx times gx times fx. So fx is x minus 4 times gx is 2x plus 5 and fx is x minus 4. That's 2 by 2. So x and 2x squared, x and 5 you plus 5x, 4 and negative 2, negative 8x, 4 and negative 4 and 5 is negative 20. X minus 4. So you get 2x squared minus 3x minus 20. Everything you times x minus 4. So you get 2x cubed. 2 and 4 is minus 4x squared. Minus 3 and x is 3x squared. Minus 3 minus 4 minus 12x minus 20x plus 80. Simplify, you get 2x cubed minus 7x squared minus 32x plus 80. Yeah, minus, check, 2x squared minus, this should be plus. So change v minus 3x. This should be 8, sorry. 8x, this should be 11 then. And this should be minus 8 plus 80. So you get 2x cubed minus 11x squared minus 8x plus 80. Okay. Find x when hx equal to gf2. Okay, so hx is 3x squared, 3x, 3 throughout x, that equal to gfx. Okay, let's find f2 that equal to 2 minus 4 equal to -2. So gf2 is gx is 2 minus 2 plus 5. 3 throughout x equal to t minus 2, 5. You get 1. Okay, so 1, therefore your, okay, we change to same base. 1 can be 3 to 0, therefore your x equal to 0. Okay, so we are done. But remember, the practice is the key, and good luck with your studies. So remember to subscribe and like, comment, share. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.